Okay, our writing lesson for Friday. Pardon me. Our learning intention is I am learning to write an information text, and we've been working on this all week. So it's quite exciting what we're going to do today. We already know that we've been gathering lots and lots of facts and learning how to do that and looking at what is a fact or what is an opinion. And we already know that information texts or books are about real life subjects. And we know that facts are attributes, actions, or talk about the environment. Let's review yesterday's activity. And we looked at the life cycle of a plant and we created a writing chart where you put your plant in the middle and in the bubbles around the outside you put lots of different facts and pictures. Well done, because they were amazing. But how do we turn that into a book? Well, let's find out. So, I want you to look back at your activity from yesterday because you'll be able to use this information to help you today. You may also need to go and watch the video again because that will also remind you of more facts and information that you might need to gather. Today, we're going to start making a book. And to do that, we're going to use a little template. And you can see how we've taken the ladybird activity from yesterday and now put it into little boxes with information next to it because we're starting to make a book. Here is the template that I've provided, and it will be attached so you can print it out, or if you don't have a printer, that's okay too. You'll be able to draw the boxes and lines. However, please do this on a separate piece of paper because it would be really nice that we could cut this up and actually make our own information book. Can you see how our template looks a little bit like our example? It has the title at the top, it has a box for you to put your drawing in, and it has lines for you to put your facts. I've started to do this for you. So you can see all about plants. In the first box, I've put a seed. And even though it's a little bit fuzzy to read, it says a part of a plant that has a tiny new plant inside it. Now, some groups will get this information already and they'll only have to complete 2 other boxes. Some groups will be doing all of it, but I've given you a little bit of a clue here to get you started. Don't forget, this is what it's going to look like in the end. So now it's your turn. Write the date at the top in the IAL. Watch and read the life cycle of a plant, the story, if you need to again. Gather any more facts that you need. Print or draw the template and use the group instructions on the next page to guide you on how many boxes you will need to complete. Some groups, as I said, have an example started for them. Take a photo of your work and then submit it on Class Dojo. Now, here are the groups, and as you can see, blue group, I've put 2 facts and 2 pictures in for you, and I would like you to do 1 picture and 1 fact. Red group, I've started you off with 1 fact and 1 picture, and I would like you to do 2 of each for your book. Yellow group, I would like you to think of 3 facts and match 3 pictures. And green group, 4 facts and 4 pictures. Now, can you see if we were actually able to cut along in between the boxes across the page and lay them on top of each other, we could turn this into a book? You might have to ask your parents to help you to do this and staple the edges and create your own book. If you can do that, we would love to see a video of you reading your book if you feel confident, or perhaps you could talk about it. Look forward to seeing your submissions. Don't forget, post it into your student activity.